In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80073712 on Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes for the user account control. Copy the commands which will be posted in the description box below, which is the DISM command. Control V and hit Enter. Now, once the DISM command has been completed successfully, then you need to run and follow the SFC scan. So simply copy this command in the description box below. Again, once the DISM scan has been completed, then copy and paste the SFC scan command and then paste it in the command prompt window. And after all the commands have been successfully completed, type exit in the command prompt window, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. The next thing that we can do is to click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on system, click on troubleshoot, click other troubleshooters. Here we can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue and will also automatically fix the issue for you. So follow the on-screen instructions, then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.